Welcome on back, ladies. It's your favorite around the way girl, naturally Candace, and today is the part 4 of my hair rehab series, the deep condition. I know I am kind of late to the party with this whole hair steamer, but this isn't a sponsored video. My husband actually surprised me and bought me the Qradoo hair steamer, and it is amazing. So if you don't know about the Qradoo, it is a hair steamer. It comes with a little applicator where you can add the water in and a little trigger. So what it does, it helps to emit warm vapor into your hair to open up the cuticle to make the deep conditioning process so much easier. It's actually really easy to use. You add the water into the applicator and then snap it back into place and just plug it up. Once the indicator light stops blinking red and is solid red, that means it's ready to go. So the deep conditioner that I've been using that's really like my favorite at the moment is the Unjacketed coconut cream recipe. It's the CoCo Repair. It's packed with coconut oil and avocado. The CoCo Repair is also infused with carrier oils to help pull nutrients into the hair shaft, as well as it helps to improve the look and feel of dry hair. So my hair is split into 4 sections, and the sections are really large, so I wanted to split the section into 2. So I first split the section into 2, and then I add the Coconut Repair Deep Conditioner before using my Qradoo. So once I grab my Qradoo, I hit the trigger button to start evaporating the steam into my hair. I start at my ends and I work my way up, just steaming the vapors right into my hair. You will immediately start to feel how soft your hair is. After I steam that section, I grab my detangling brush to detangle, and then I do a simple 2-strand twist. Okay, again for the people in the back. I applied the Coconut Repair, very generous, like dime size, really quarter golf ball size, not that much, but I grab a generous amount and I apply the Coconut Repair all over that section. Then I grab the Qradoo and I hit the trigger to release the vapors into that section of hair, starting at my ends and then working my way up. I like to do it like in the front, in the back, all over that section, just really making sure that the vapors really get into the hair. And after I steam that section, I just grab my detangling brush to detangle. My brush literally just slid through my hair like butter. That was the first thing that I noticed, how easy it was to detangle and how much shedding that wasn't going down. I literally didn't lose any hair in this entire process. After I detangle, I just did a 2-strand twist and completed that same process for the rest of my hair. When it comes to the detangling part, the prongs on the Qradoo are really what help and assist you. They help lift and separate the hair in a very easy way. They're very thick and wide and evenly spaced, so your hair isn't getting caught and tangled into them. I had seen the Qradoo all over social media these last couple of years. Everybody was talking about how great a hair steamer was, and until I actually got my Qradoo and used it for the first time, I didn't realize how much I was missing out. It literally helped my deep condition process and my detangling process so much. I don't know how I was living without it before. Usually when I detangle my hair in deep condition, it's about an hour-and-a-half process, but adding the Unjacketed Coconut Repair and the Qradoo steamer together, it literally took me 30 minutes to deep condition and detangle, and I can't wait for you guys to see how much shedding I didn't have. One of the main reasons why I love the Unjacketed CoCo Repair is because it really gets into the hair shaft to stop damage and breakage. So when you add the Qradoo steam on top of that, I literally had no shedding for this process at all. I can't wait for you guys to get to the end of the video so you can really see what I'm talking about. But not only does it help with the breakage, it also adds softness and shine to your hair. And the ingredients for the Coconut Repair are coconut, of course, Coconut Repair coconut. It also has avocado, mango, and flaxseed, all the things you need to have super hydrated hair, and it smells really, really good. It will be up to you how much of the warm vapors you use for each section. I am a little OCD and I went a little overboard. I held the trigger down for the entire section. Plus my hair is really thick, so I wanted to make sure no strand went unnoted. And that is my amazing husband, Alan. I'm so clumsy. I actually dropped my Qradoo right while recording this. But in total, I had about 8 twists. I broke my sections into mini sections. I had 4 larger sections, broke them down into 2 subsections. So I ended up with 8 twists in total. Now for the moment of truth, the shedding about it. I literally had no shedding, very minimal shedding using the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Repair and the Qradoo. Now a little disclaimer, I still have been doing my tea rinses every week to help combat my shedding. The Qradoo and the Aunt Jackie's just help to minimize the shedding when detangling. The ball on the right is from the beginning of the year and the ball on the left is recently, well, what I did today with the Qradoo. So I have been doing my black tea rinse every week. If you haven't checked out that video, be sure to check it out. I will leave the link in the description box. But the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Repair and the Qradoo really help to minimize any extra shedding and breakage while detangling. I apply a plastic cap and I let my conditioner sit for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I rinse it out with cool water to seal in all the moisture. My hair is super soft and really hydrated. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Same routine. But until next time, queens, be great. It's so soft, babe. Wow. It's like butter, baby. Butter, you heard?